Okay, so just a quick test I've made this afternoon based on the parts you sent across. So you can see you've got the part here, it's on a backlight, so this is going to flash, and then above that backlight I've actually got another large multi-angle ring light. It's actually a special light to eliminate any glare from the top surface. It's using our Lumitrax functionality. I'll explain a little bit more how that works in a minute. Then you've got the camera up above, and then that's all feeding back to the machine vision controller, and you can see the part is being displayed here. So what I'm doing is I'm splitting it up into two captures. So the first capture, I'm taking apart an image with the backlight. So if I just show you the raw image, how it's actually looking. This is the raw image, and you can see the backlight's illuminated, and it creates a silhouette of the actual part. What I do then is I apply this image region generator tool, and that allows me to extract the silhouetted shape from the backlight. So if I just move this back to the contrast view here, you can see the part is actually now extracted from the backlight. Then I feed this shape as an inspection area into the detect flaw tool, which you can see here. So then if I show you now like the contrast view here, you can see there's no actual defect detected on this particular part. Maybe we can just move it around so it doesn't matter. I'll just move it and re-trigger it again. You can see it doesn't matter where it's positioned, we're going to get a stable read. Now I'm just going to take this part out and just swap it for another part. So this particular part you can see has some defect at the top here and also down the bottom here. So these two areas. So I just put that underneath, and then I'm just going to trigger the system again here, and instantly straight away you can see very strong contrast here and here where the actual defect's been detected. And it's just going to be the same now with whatever part we put underneath as long as we've got a large enough backlight. So let's take this out. I've got a few other parts here to try. So obviously I just have to keep it within the constraints of the backlight just to make sure this function is going to work. Maybe for your production environment we're going to need a slightly larger backlight. But anyway, let's put this next part on and see what happens. Press run again. And then you can see straight away it's highlighted some defect here, here and here. And you can see, if I just go and look at the part, you can see also, let's just put that down. So here, here and over here, just a little defect here. And those are the exact defect points it's just pulled out there. So all in all, I think that's going to be very stable. And again, I'll just do one more slightly different part here. I'll just line it up across the opposite angle this time. And then we just click run again. And exactly the same thing again. This one's got quite a large defect across it, but exactly the same thing. It's created that silhouette, and we've pulled that silhouetted shape out and used that as the inspection region and found inside that this particular defect, which, as you can see, if I just pull the part across, is this part all the way across here. And as you can see, that's that defect there. Thank you very much.